Well, I'm inside the house that we just looked at on the outside, and there's a lot of nice timbers in here that are cracking, and the cracks are getting worse. The owner has noticed more of them, and they don't look like they're under-designed or too small to do the job they're doing, and cracking because of weight. But the house doesn't have any humidifier system. As a matter of fact, they have a dehumidifier in the basement area. So the logs that get plenty dry in the wintertime, the cracks that extend through the wall, well, I don't think those aren't visible outside, so they don't contribute to any air infiltration. But here you can see what happens to a hand-scribed log structure. They usually split open on the bottom where the logs are coped to fit on top of the one below it. And over here, some of the splitting has taken place on the faces of the logs. It's not widespread, and I'm sure that the cracks and splits on the bottom side of the log where it's coped are much worse than the ones that we can still see here. But this was built up in Canada, taken down here, and reassembled. So there's really no caulking on the inside of the home anywhere, unless there's been some air infiltration in the corners, like you can see a pretty good gap up there. But anyhow, it's really held up well. You know, there is one other problem over here where the owner's getting bees inside. Guys like this one here. Anyway, it seems to be coming in underneath the bottom log, which doesn't make sense. That one should be firmly pushed against the ground, and unless there's something else that's causing the air infiltration there, maybe in the rim joist. But outside there's stonework that goes all the way up to the bottom side of the decking. So I'm not exactly sure what's causing air infiltration in those areas. But anyhow, well, before we go, we're going to go take a look at the caboose that they have across the road from this house. So that'll be kind of interesting. Anyhow, thanks for watching, folks.